Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add a real-time search box in product sidebar in WordPress e-commerce website. We need to install a free plugin. You can go here and click on Add Plugin. Here you can type search and you will get multiple plugins. So you can install and check one by one. So if I scroll down, and this plugin is new, so that's why here you can see this one. You can find it here, and then you need to activate this plugin. On the left side here you can see this one, theme hung. Then click on advanced search. You can use this search box only using this shortcode. Okay, so let me copy it, and before that simply you need to go in advanced settings and select the post type. So at this moment I want to select product. Scroll down and click on save changes. Okay, now let's go back and we need to display it in the product sidebar. So you need to install a plugin that's called classic widgets to get this type of interface. Now if I scroll down, and here you can use these blocks. So let me remove everything and add the shortcode and click on save button. Okay, now let me drag this block and add it in the WooCommerce sidebar. So this one, okay, on the top, and then expand and click on done. Now let's go back and reload shop page. Now here you can see search box is added. For example, if I type here about a product t-shirt, here you can see this one working fine. So we can also open this product in a new tab.